Hey everyone, if you haven't seen my last video, my car actually got hit by a delivery van and there was a bit of damage on it, so I just want to give you guys an update. So after the incident, I called a collision shop and see if they could give me an estimate for the damage, and I was able to get my car in the next day. So when I brought my car to the collision shop, they took pictures of the damage, and after checking everything, the estimate was for $1,088 Canadian for the repairs. There's a couple of scratches here. I actually washed my car, so it's not as bad anymore, but you can still see the scratches in the paint from up close. There's also scratches on the rear of the bumper here, going all the way there, which for the estimate, they said that they would probably have to repaint the car for those specific spots. And also before, the bumper was out of place, but they were able to like push it back in for now. But as you can see, it still doesn't align properly, and they'll have to remove the bumper and fix it so that everything aligns properly again. Since also because of the accident, the little gap between the trunk on the left side is bigger than on the right side, and now it rubs when I open and close the trunk door. But overall, the damage to the car wasn't too bad. It could have been way worse, and I thought that it was worse than it is, but really we won't know until they take off the bumper to see if there's some damage on the internals underneath the body that we don't see. And honestly, if you don't look at the car really from super close, you barely see the damage, and the gap from the bumper is not too noticeable. So at least I can still drive the car, and it really doesn't show that much that it got hit. But obviously, since like the car's like my baby at that point, I notice it, and it really like pisses me off that that happened and that there's still like this little bit of damage on the car. But the collision shop is taking the car on September 2nd, so for the next couple of weeks I'll just be driving with this little bit of damage. So hopefully they're able to fix it, and after that the car will look like new basically. Obviously if they have to repaint it, it's going to be hard to match the color since this is a 2016, so the color might not be exactly like it was before, but I'm sure that it won't be noticeable, only probably to me, and the car will be fine. I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on what happens next. And if you want to stay up to date with everything that happens, make sure to check out my Instagram page, BlueBeastRT, and subscribe to this channel. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a good one.